Plooto is a cloud-based payment processing and accounts payable software designed to streamline invoicing, payments, and cash flow management. Here's how to use Plooto effectively. Sign up and set up your account. Visit the Plooto website and sign up for an account. You will need to provide your business information and banking details for payment processing. Connect your bank account. Link your bank account to Plooto to facilitate payments and transfers. This allows you to pay vendors directly from your bank account without manual entries. Create and send invoices. Navigate to the Invoices section to create and send invoices to your clients. You can customize invoices with your branding and track their status. Manage bills and payments. Use the Bills section to input your expenses. Plooto allows you to schedule payments and manage due dates to avoid late fees. Track payments. Monitor your payment status in the Transactions tab. Plooto provides real-time updates on when payments are processed and funds are transferred. Integrate with accounting software. Plooto integrates seamlessly with popular accounting platforms like QuickBooks and Xero, helping you maintain accurate financial records.